Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel where we make videos on mobile apps, tutorials, tips, tricks, experiments, all kinds of stuff like that. If you're interested in those things, maybe hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be opening a free stock from Robinhood valued up to $500. Okay, so here we are in the Robinhood app. As you guys know, you can get free stocks for this. You can click the link in the description, sign up, and you will get a free stock. I have a whole video dedicated to this if you want to learn exactly how. And then once you're signed up, you can also invite people and get free stocks yourself. You can see right here in the middle of the screen, I have one free stock to claim. Last time I got LLNW, so it's about $5.30 free I got last time. You can get an up to $500 stock free. So here's the reward screen. Now what I need to do is pick one of these and then it's gonna give me the stock. So which one should I pick? I'm just gonna go with the middle. Scrub to reveal. So I got BTG, which is worth $4.28. So not a $500 stock that time. You know, almost $5 free, so I can't complain. Once you've selected your stock, you'll have to wait a few minutes for that to actually process and show up in your account. You can see that my account bumped from roughly 110 to 114. And if we scroll down here, we can see that I now own one share of BTG. So BTG is B2 Gold. Let's sort of check out what this is. You can scroll down to the bottom here and there's an about section. So it says B2 Gold Corp engages in the acquisition and development of mineral properties. It operates through the following segments. I'm not going to read all of those, but it sounds like they invest in gold or something like that. So I think I just got a free stock for our gold company. And the other person that signed up using my link will also get a free stock. So that's the perk of using my link. You can see right here that there's a couple more people that can also sign up using my link, but I'm pretty sure it will continue to work after the third person. Another thing to note, this stock is currently as an unsettled status. So I think it takes like a week or so to be settled. And then after that week, you can sell it. You know, it doesn't change that much in price over the course of a week. I think it just prevents people from getting a free stock and then dumping it right away. So yeah, like after a week or so, it'll be fine to sell. Like you can see, I got this LLNW1 and I could sell that if I wanted to. Yeah, there you go. There's my free stock pick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. There's tons of tutorial videos and information on the channel if you want to check those videos out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear